Hello guys, and welcome back to another one. I haven't actually posted in a little while. I have actually got a few videos I did record, in fact we recorded, but turns out they weren't really relevant. It was just painting the dash some more. And I will probably add a few clips in, but painted the door cards, painted the rest of the dash, painted the sub surround, painted all this. Do want to do that cream, but that's kind of what we've been up to. I think that being cream would look a lot better, but that is basically done now. We did readjust this. Like I said, I will probably add a few clips in of whatnot and whatever, but didn't really think it was worth its own video, so I didn't put it out. Couple of new things. One, we bought a 12-volt kettle and it's horrendous. I mean, we had this thing on, it's cold now, we had this thing on for probably what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
And it was, you could still put your finger in it. It was getting hot, but it was
not hot enough.
Yeah, nowhere near hot enough. So might keep that in the back of the van. That thing's dreadful. So what we did, put this back here, just about fits lovely. Use the old trusty, done it in a few seconds. Also, while we're here, did buy me a new diesel heater tank, because the one that was already here used to attach like there. It's way too big. The plan is that's going to sit about there, sort of frame it in so it doesn't move about, have the wires coming out the back of it, and that'll fit lovely there. Don't need anything too massive, just a little something. So gonna get that done, save a bit of room in the back, and pick that one up in a minute. I got me some new 4-inch Falconers. Now if you cannot remember in one of my other videos, wait there, I had these, and I think these are, yeah, 4s, and they're £1,000 rated. Well, that's snapped clean in half. So I've gone back onto my 5s. Well, I don't want to be on 5s, especially seeming the Volksfest for us is
2 days.
So 3 days?
Well, what day are we on?
Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday. So
Saturday.
yeah, we're going Saturday, so it's 3 days for us. So I want to go back down on 4s. Everywhere I was looking, it was like £100+ for a new set. Well, in fact, one of you guys actually put me in touch with this company, and you can buy these singly. So if you do snap one, what's happened here? There we go. So if you do snap one, what the hell have I done? There we go, I think. Still a bit stuck in there. I'll get that out. If you do snap just the one, you can just replace the one. I think it's 41 quid delivered per spring. They do anything from 4s all the way up to 8s, I believe. So yeah, gonna got me a new set of them. So I have gone up in rating. I don't know if you guys can see that. Is it clear?
Yeah.
I've now gone up to 1200, so a little bit more. As you guys know, I have got the wood interior, and obviously the pallet wood does add quite a lot of weight, and as you guys probably have seen, there's an awful lot in here. I thought I'd uprate, see how I get on with these. I can always go down if necessary. So we're going to get these fitted. I've got to do that diesel heater tank, little bit of a tidy up, and get ready for Volksfest in a few days. So I thought I'd show you a bit of that. I won't show you full on how to do these springs because there's enough videos of me doing them. In fact, I'm going to do one side and I'm going to get my daughter to do the other side because I can't be bothered. I can now be back down on 4s where I want to be. Obviously need to wind the front down. The front's now officially done, and I love the way that that brown and cream looks. Obviously it's a little bit difficult because of the sun, but That looks really good. I'm very, very impressed. The glove box lid is
A bit broken.
a bit seen better days. I kind of want to do something with a pallet wood on the side of here, but for now that looks awesome-o. Happy days.
It will look nice with that cream there
I think
because it's too much brown going on.
And we used the kettle that we haven't used in
2 years.
yeah, like 2 years. We give it a quick rinse out and it's left little yucky bits.
Oh, to show them. Does it taste nice though?
You can taste the bits though. Nice cup of tea regardless, but we're going to screw this thing into the thing because it needs to do the whole thing. On this tank, I will put a link to this down in the description. There's 2 places to put it. You either put it at the front or at the back. I'm thinking just to make it look a little bit better, put it at the back. Over there actually. So I need to drill a little hole. So, little hole maker. Out there. So we're going to finish drilling this, and when we actually go to mount it, I'll probably pick a camera up then. So see you in a mo. Well, we've kind of gone off on a little bit of a tangent and just sort of started attacking stuff. This is now officially in. It's got a little bit of, yes, I know that this fuel line isn't the best. This is going to be getting replaced for hard line, which is going under the van, but for now it shall do. But that's now all connected. There's wood there. There's wood round the back. And that's all in there. It's not going anywhere. It's a tiny bit of wobble, but once it's got fuel in it, and all this slots back in and around it and where it should be, that's perfect. And I've now got this bit of room free. Perfect. Need to try and find somewhere for that to live. Tidy this lot up. As I have said, we are going to Volksfest in a few days, so we're just trying to make sure we get everything sorted. We're now going to start attacking the springs. I'm going to do this side. Yeah, I'm going to do this side and show Sky what to do, because this is the harder side out of the 2. And then I will film her doing the second side, because it's slightly easier and she'll have a rough idea of watching me there. So next clip, Sky put the springs in. Well, we did the other side. That's completely done. And Sky is now doing this side. I got a boo-boo doing the other side. That was great. Got one there. There's one over in the middle somewhere. It hurts. So luckily enough, Sky's doing this side for me. Right, now undo.
Yes.
Yeah, put that in the bottom one. So now twist that. That'll probably do.
Yeah. Now get the spring.
Now get the spring out.
Like that. The old one is out. Now, what? So this bit has to be pointed up.
Doesn't really matter. It's the same.
Oh, I don't know if it mattered. Done.
I'll adjust the strap just so it's at the right length,
Yep.
and then you can finish it.
Done.
Pretty much. I'll tighten it up all the way tight. And done. And then just like that, that's how we've managed to get the van back down on 4s. Gonna go and adjust the front off camera, because don't really need to do that on camera, it's just adjusting the torsion bar. That's us officially ready for Volksfest in a few days, so hope to see you guys there. If you do, say hello. Should have the camera with me, so I'll try and film you and whatever vehicle you've got. But from us, that's the end of that. We're gonna go and get tidied up because we're a bit dirty. You're definitely dirty. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting out of our dumbass. I'll see you guys at Volksfest, and take it easy.